In this video, we will talk about how to disable startup apps in Windows 11. Method 1. Task Manager. Right-click on bottom bar, select Task Manager. If it opens in Simple View, click on More Details. Now, click on Startup tab. Select the app you don't want to start automatically and click on Disable. Method 2. Settings. Click on Start and open Settings. On the left, click on Apps. Scroll down, select Startup. Turn off the apps you don't want at startup. Method 3. Startup folder. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type shell: startup and press Enter. From here, delete the shortcuts of apps you don't want start automatically. So that's how you can disable startup apps in Windows 11. See you in the next video.